Today's Tuesday, 1990. I think 6.
Okay, so what's going on today?
There's gonna be a hurricane, Erin. It used to be a tropical storm, but they turned it into a hurricane, and it'll be starting tonight, and we're getting ready for it, as you can see.
What have you done?
Well, we've put the windows up like that, and we also, when it's gonna start, we're going to put the pool inside in there, and like shut this and get that window ready, and put those metal things over you. And
so what's a hurricane?
it's something that if you are not ready for it, it blows your house, rips the screen, and messes up your garden. It can pick you up and smack you against the wall, so you gotta get ready for it.
Have you done everything?
Yeah, almost.
You've been keeping an eye on the news?
Yeah.
What have they been saying?
They've been saying Hurricane Erin is gonna be here tomorrow and stuff, and tonight and stuff like that.
Okay. You got your animals all okay?
Yeah. They're inside relaxing.
Did you tell them a hurricane was coming?
Not yet. And anyways, can't understand people well. Sometimes they can, sometimes they can't. Like Jazz. I said, call his name, he comes right here. Jazzy! See what I mean? And Goldie isn't that cool, but I bet Goldie's going to be running under the bed, and Jazz will be freaking when it's happening.
You think?
Because it's going to make a lot of noise. Smacking it probably will take up the mulch and smack it against stuff. I don't know. So.
Anything else you want to talk about? What are you going to be doing during the hurricane?
We're going to be sitting inside reading books or telling stories, coloring, eating, having a snack and stuff.
What about playing the piano?
Well, yeah, we will, but it's going to be very dark in here, so you might not be able to see.
Did you want to play us a song on the piano before it gets dark or anything?
Sure.
Okay.
But, well,
assures us that they are ready. They're practically in place now should this storm go. So at least reassuring.
this one is called Erin.